Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to top up your Crypto.com Visa card. So the first thing that you have to do is click the middle button on Crypto.com application right here. Go to the Crypto Wallet. Once you reach the Crypto Wallet, go to your coins. First you have to sell some coins in order to get some funds into your Fiat Wallet. So let's do that. Click on sell here. We can go and we can sell 40 of chrono here. So we can go here, we can click on cash, we can go here and type in how much we want to sell. So we'll be selling 40 crow right here. So let's type in 40, sell. And then as you can see, we can confirm here, obviously the passcode and everything. Then as you can see, we sold it. Now what we can do is go back and go in the middle button again, go to the Fiat Wallet right here, and right now as you can see we have successfully got €6 in the Fiat Wallet. So now what we can do is we can actually go back and go to the middle button, and here where it says spend, you will actually be able to click on a credit card or crypto card. And then once you click on crypto card, since I don't have crypto card, once you click on it, you will be able to click top up, and then from your Fiat wallet, you will be able to use those, in my opinion, or in my case, €6, right? To top up your crypto credit card. So it's really simple. Again, you just click on credit card or crypto card, and then you go and click top up, and then you go to crypto wallet or Fiat wallet, and you basically top up your Crypto.com Visa card. So that's pretty much how to do it. Again, I don't have currently card to show you, but this is a really simple step and process how to do it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, comment down below if this video helped you out, and yeah, we'll see you in the next Crypto.com video. Thank you guys.